like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Yo, what's up my dear crypto people, welcome to another video. In this video I am very happy to present to you the world's longest running crypto exchange, BTCC. Okay guys, so I believe many of you have heard for this amazing crypto exchange. I have a presentation here, but I'm not gonna be going into details here. I'm just gonna scroll through fast here, so if you are interested you can pause and read for yourself, okay? But so guys, this is, as I said, the oldest running crypto exchange since the year 2011. They have really good security measures, okay? But let's go step by step, okay? So the actual owners of BTCC are the people who invented Litecoin, okay? So that's really amazing. You guys know how many times I have mentioned Litecoin in my videos. I think it's an amazing cryptocurrency, okay? I have personally used it always when I need to send crypto from exchange A to exchange B. But okay, back to BTCC. So guys, if you are planning to trade crypto, then I would definitely recommend you to join this site, especially if you use my link in the description below. You will get up to 70% discount on your trading fees, and you will be able to earn up to $10,000 in bonus rewards, okay? But guys, let's now take a moment to have a chat with my best friend ChatGPT, okay? So let's tell ChatGPT. So first, let's not be rude, okay? Let's be nice. Dear ChatGPT, tell me everything you know about the BTCC crypto exchange. So this is easier for me to go through this. What is now? I have two responses. Okay, so guys, as I said, it is founded in the year 2011. Okay, so these guys are crypto pioneers, really crypto experts. Okay, so guys, some of the key features for BTCC. So it offers both spot and futures trading, okay? The great thing about this exchange is it has up to 500 times leverage on futures trading, okay? So you will not see that anywhere else, okay? So yeah. Additionally, you can also get access to the stuff like gold, silver and stocks like Nvidia stocks and so on BTCC, so that is also really praiseworthy. Another thing that BTCC maintains is a clean security record, okay? So this exchange has never been hacked, guys. Since 2011 this exchange had 0 hacks, so this is really actually incredible, okay? So yeah. So guys, the things that I'm gonna be talking about a little bit more are these features that this exchange has, like copy trading, okay? So this means that you can copy like trading strategies from different traders. I'm gonna show you that later actually on the site. So another thing that they have is the demo trading. So this means that you can trade with virtual funds, okay? So this is actually amazing. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be publishing some videos in the future, both firstly with demo trading, and then I'm gonna trade some real crypto, okay, real money. We will see how it goes, because I'm a beginner trader, but yeah, BTCC also offers lots of they have this academy stuff. So for all of you noobs out there, you can like learn lots of different things, okay, here, how to actually make a trade. And okay guys, so I have also forgot to mention the best part about this site, and an amazing benefit is that no KYC is required, okay? So you can trade crypto, you can deposit, withdraw, trade crypto without doing the KYC, okay? Yeah. So guys, back to this academy. So here's some more stuff, but they had something even better. Let me just check. So yeah, so yeah, I'm still new to this site, guys, but it's definitely amazing. I would you have to join this site, guys. Join, okay? But yeah, I will make some videos about actual tradings in the future, okay? So quickly, just to finish this off, guys, before we go back to the site. So BTCC holds crypto licenses in USA, Canada and Europe, and this is a big thing because in all of these countries continents, there have been lots of new regulations, and some people cannot trade anymore on their old crypto exchanges, so they are looking for new ones. So guys, definitely check out BTCC, you will like it, okay? So yeah, they also have an official Android application. So yeah, actually the only like negative thing that I would say about this exchange is that they offer no staking opportunities, okay? So this is purely made for trading, not for staking your crypto, okay? But yeah, okay, really nice. So let's get back to the site. So just before we start, I just wanted to see, there was some kind of oh yeah, so here's the FAQ, okay? So if you have some kind of things that you need to know, you know, they have it explained in very much detailed way, okay? Okay, so my dear crypto people, first off, so here are the deposit options. So the option, you can deposit fiat through your cards, but take notice that this is the only thing that will require KYC from you, okay? So if you plan to deposit fiat, you will need to do the KYC. But you can deposit crypto and you don't need to even do the KYC here, okay? So you can choose what crypto you want to deposit, let's say USDT, and then you choose the network, okay? So yeah, make sure to, you know, but you guys know this already, okay? Always be careful when depositing, withdrawing, make sure that it's on the right network and so on, okay? So yeah. So guys, as I said, I'm not gonna be talking about the actual trading here because I'm gonna be publishing more videos in the future with more details, okay? Because this is really, it's a little bit complex, okay? It's not impossible to understand, but you need to know some basics, okay? So I'm gonna skip past through that. And so just to show you, this is the demo trading feature that I have been talking about. So you can trade with virtual crypto here, okay? Not with real money. So this is really nice. I'm gonna be doing that definitely in the beginning before I start trading real crypto, okay? So I'll publish some videos in the future. As I said, guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe, okay? So next, trading articles. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys, okay? So here you have some like really short articles, but regarding some basic stuff that you need to know, okay? Regarding liquidation fees, how to transfer funds, APY trading, different trading fees, how to you know trade, how to go long on futures, how to short, and so on, okay? So definitely check this out, guys. Okay, so next. So this is really an amazing thing that I really personally like, and I'm definitely gonna be checking this out more. So this is the copy trading feature, okay? So guys, as I said, you can copy different traders' strategies. So you can see them here, and these traders actually have an incentive to be as successful as possible, because if you copy their trades and so on, they will receive some kind of a commission, and that's like an incentive and motivation for them to, you know, to actually you know trade as good as possible, okay? So let's take a look here, for example, on this fun trader. So he's been trading here for 411 days. So PNL, that's the profit and loss, okay? So you can see that his PNL is like plus 20%. But let's take a read here. Have been trading for some time now and here to make some money. Welcome to join. High leverage game, so make sure your position size is small to avoid liquidation. Okay guys, so once more, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, guys. never go all in, never invest all of your money in one place, you know. Be responsible, be careful, you know, and, you know, put some effort and some work into it, okay, guys? So let's take a look, for example, at this guy, all the money. Successful trading often requires patience and resilience. Watching a position go negative is normal, but pulling out early due to fear can be one of the biggest mistakes. To win, you need a well-calculated, estimated liquidation price and the ability to endure temporary losses. Some trades may take weeks to turn profitable, so trust the process. I focus on XRP and Bitcoin for a key reason. If you hold long enough, the odds tilt in your favor. The trick is to stay engaged by diversifying your positions and strategies to maintain consistent results. Follow me for insights, stay in the game, and let's win together. So as I said, I really like these guys, you know, different people from all over the world you can see, you know. I don't know, I believe this guy is Japanese, or pardon me if I'm wrong, but you know, these guys are all around the world trading here, and you can actually copy their trades, and that is really amazing. So this is really praiseworthy. I really actually like this, and yeah, I'm gonna be trying to do my own kind of trades if I'm going to be showing you something in the videos, you know, guys. But this is definitely the way to go. If you're still not sure how to do it, you can, you know, try copying these trader strategies and, you know, trying to make some profits for yourself. Okay, so here's actually the copy trading FAQ. So if you're interested for more details, you can read it here. Okay, so here's the actual spot trading. Again, so for each of these categories on the bottom, you have an FAQ and articles that will help you acquire more information about this. Okay, what are market orders, limit orders, and so on. So guys, definitely, as I said, join through my link in the description below, and you will be able to earn up to $11,000 in bonus rewards. Okay, so you have some really basic tasks, like to follow BTCC on Twitter, to make your first copy trade. They even protect you from loss in that first copy trade that you make. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to be going into more details, so you should check it out for yourself. Okay, they also have these different kinds of campaigns, VIP program, that's for all of you traders who are really expert traders and plan to invest some more money. Check this out, definitely join the VIP program. Okay, so yeah, so guys, that would basically be it. As I said, this was a really basic video. I just wanted to show you some key basic features of this amazing crypto exchange. Okay, I'm really happy, you know, to be making a video about this site, guys. So it is legit, secure. This is the best place to, you know, deposit your funds if you plan on making some crypto trades. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything here. Really amazing crypto exchange from the creators of Litecoin. So yeah, guys, definitely join through the link in the description below, and we will see us in the future, where I will be publishing more videos with some actual trades here. Okay, so yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.